Today we'll show you how to install a Draw-Tite custom trailer hitch, part number 75234. This hitch application will fit the following make and model of vehicles. For this video, we will be installing the hitch on a 2020 Ford Edge. Before beginning the installation, be sure to familiarize yourself with all the parts included in the instructions. We also recommend wearing safety equipment. Before beginning the installation, you'll need to remove the side plastic panels on the back of the vehicle. To do this, use 5.5mm and 10mm sockets to remove the bolts and flange nuts that attach the panels on each side of the vehicle. Then, use a screwdriver to remove the screws in the center fascia panel, along with the nut in the back middle of the panel. Take the panel off and set it aside. This center panel will not be reinstalled. Next, you'll need to lower the muffler. Be sure to support the muffler to prevent damage as you're working. Use lubrication beforehand to make removal easier. Start by removing the exhaust hanger rod from the rubber isolator on both sides. Now you're ready to install your hitch. Begin by feeding the threaded end of the pull wire through the vehicle frame rail's attachment hole and out through the access hole. Put a spacer over the threaded end and attach a bolt. Then feed the fasteners through the access hole and back out through the attachment hole. Repeat these steps for all access holes, being sure to leave the pull wires attached, as you will feed them through the hitch later in this installation. Next, use the die grinder to cut off the stud in the frame above the center of the muffler. At this point, raise the hitch into position. Then feed the pull wires that you previously installed in the vehicle frame through the bracket holes. Remove the pull wires and loosely install the washers and hex nuts on each of the bolts to hold the hitch in place. Tighten all 7/16" fasteners with the torque wrench to 50 foot-pounds. Once the hitch is fully torqued, reinstall all of the hardware, muffler, fascia, and side plastic panels that were removed before the installation. And you're done! This concludes the installation for a Draw-Tite custom trailer hitch on this 2020 Ford Edge, part number 75234. For more information on this and other great Draw-Tite products, visit draw-tite.com.